Weather Lab. Here's meteorologist Maggie Dinizio.
Good Monday morning, Lubbock. A humid start to the day. Let's go ahead and take a live look outside. From our NTS tower, we're seeing the low clouds hanging over most of the South Plains. Like I said, a little bit of a muggier start to the day with those temperatures mild because of the cloud cover overnight. Currently 57 degrees at the airport. Winds are breezy at 17 miles per hour. And we are watching for some patchy fog. Visibility, though, still good to go at 8 miles. Now, we are expecting some sunshine to return this afternoon, and that will let those temperatures get well above average for this time of year. Most of us topping out in those lower 70s. Areas off the Caprock in the southeastern portions of the South Plains will be getting a little bit warmer into those mid 70s, then up towards the northwest, likely staying in those 60s. Plainview putting in an afternoon high at 69 degrees. Now here's a look at your pinpoint forecast over the next couple of days. As we head towards the lunch hour, still we'll be looking at dry conditions across the area. We'll be watching for maybe some isolated rain showers right along that state line, but increasing those rain and storm chances as we head into this afternoon. I'm going to push the clock forward to 6 p.m. and we'll start to see that cold front make its way over that state line, and a little bit of a line of some rain showers with a few embedded thunderstorms starting to form over central portions of the South Plains. But as we continue to move towards the evening hours, that continues to push towards the east, and that's when we see that line of more stronger as well as possibly severe storms forming over the easternmost counties of the South Plains. By midnight, though, those storms continue to push towards the east with that cold front, and we'll be left with dry conditions behind the front as well as cooler temperatures. Starting off Tuesday morning with mostly clear skies, temperatures will be in the 30s, and we'll see lots of sunshine through tomorrow afternoon, but still will be keeping those temperatures below average for this time of year, likely staying in the 50s for our Tuesday afternoon, with windy conditions persisting as well behind this front. But for those storms later on this afternoon into this evening, we do have a threat of some severe weather. Now notice the bullseye of the severe weather for today is going to be highlighted in this orange color. That does include Wichita Falls, Oklahoma City, as well as the Dallas-Fort Worth area, and it does even include some of the easternmost counties of the South Plains. So as I zoom in, that is going to include Cottle as well as King County, and you can see the sliver of Motley as well as into Cochran and Kent County under that enhanced risk. Most of the South Plains highlighted in yellow, that's that slight risk for severe weather. So I'm going to say for areas east of I-27, be aware of that severe weather for this afternoon. What those colors mean: the yellow, scattered severe storms possible. That includes the Lubbock area. We will be watching for some strong winds as well as hail up to 1 inch in diameter, maybe even some isolated 2 inches in diameter. But for that orange, that's going to be Cottle as well as King County under that enhanced risk. Numerous severe storms expected. You could expect a few tornadoes in those areas, and that's going to be for, again, those areas highlighted in orange. That's going to be mostly to the east of us, but still be watching for those severe storms later on today. So be sure to stay weather aware for this afternoon. It is a severe weather alert day. Those storms, though, push out of our area by midnight tonight. Then the cooler air filters in. Morning lows tomorrow in the 30s. We'll stay in the 50s tomorrow afternoon with windy conditions persisting and lots of sunshine. Much quieter weather to end the work week, staying in the 60s. Then we'll have another cold front move through at the start of the next weekend. Mostly sunny skies expected, but temperatures dropping back into the 50s.
So a little bit of something, and then hopefully nothing too severe tonight.
Yeah, hopefully, but obviously we'll be here keeping you advised if anything does happen. But just try and stay weather aware for areas east of I-27 later on today.
Thanks, Maggie.
No problem.